Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Before that, I introduce myself. I am Dr. S. Saraswati, working as an assistant professor of PG Commerce, Sri Kalishuri College, Autonomous, Sivagasi. Digital marketing is the process of promoting product or services using digital channels and technologies, including internet and other digital media. Whereas traditional marketing means it encompasses offline promotional methods used for decades like print, broadcast, direct mail, etc. It focuses on reaching a broad audience through channels like newspapers, television, radio, and billboard. This slide clearly explains the first and foremost difference between the digital marketing and traditional marketing. This slide is also shows the pictorial representation of the media used. Media are the tool used for marketing or advertising their product by an marketer in traditional and as well as digital manner. The audience for traditional marketing is limited. It reaches the few, whereas digital marketing audience are huge. It connected with the net or web, hence it reach a huge audience. The next foremost difference is communication. In traditional marketing, the immediate communication is not possible because first the marketer plan and make a strategy, choose the appropriate tool, then only it will be delivered to the consumer, which means that it is a delay communication. On the other hand, in digital marketing, it facilitates immediate communication. The next foremost different is cost. The cost required for preparing advertisement in traditional marketing is very high compared to digital marketing. The amount required for making digital advertisement is very low. Not only digital advertisement, other marketing practices are also low in case of digital marketing. The above slides shows the pictorial differences between the digital marketing and the traditional marketing. Now we are going to discuss about the theoretical aspects of the differences. Communication is bi-directional in case of digital marketing, which means that the marketer can communicate to the customer on the vice versa, the customer is also communicate with the marketer at a time by making a suggestion. Whereas in case of traditional marketing, it is not possible, hence it is called it as it is unidirectional. The second foremost difference is medium of communication is more powerful in case of digital marketing because it involves social media, website, chats, apps, emails, etc. Whereas in case of traditional marketing, it is average because the medium of communication in traditional marketing use phone calls, emails, letter, newspapers, billboard, pamphlets, etc. The third difference is digital marketing campaign can be developed quite rapidly and with digital tools. In case of traditional marketing, it takes more time as designing, preparing, launching, delivering the content. Digital marketing offers a global reach, allowing business to target audience throughout the world, not only local or national. Whereas in case of traditional marketing, it only focuses on either local or regional audiences. It is limited with geographical area. Whereas the next important difference is digital marketing lets to measure the effectiveness immediately. Whereas in case of the effectiveness of traditional marketing will be only realized only after a long time. Thank you, students.